As you know, antimicrobial resistance is a very important topic, both at the global level, at the national level, and at the state level. WHO has been advocating many steps for containment of the antimicrobial resistance. As you know, these days, if you see the reports of many patients, most of the samples, say maybe urine, maybe pus, they are all resistant to almost all the antibiotics. Now it is very difficult for the patient which antibiotic to take for its treatment. And it is very difficult for the doctor also which antibiotic to prescribe. So it's a very catch-22 situation, very serious situation, and we must address it honestly both at the government level and at the community level. And one of the prime reasons is the misuse and overuse of antibiotics for very small ailments, and which leads to the antimicrobial resistance. And secondly, the use of antibiotics in the animal sector, particularly in the poultry sector, in the farm sector, in the fisheries sector, which is also giving rise to a lot of resistance in the human population.
So, this, as you already mentioned, there's a lot of resistance that has developed in regards to the antibiotics, and most of the common citizens these days go to the medical stores and take antibiotics on their own based on their past experience. What is the do's and don'ts for the general citizens?
For general citizens, it is advised that please do not take antibiotics of their own. Please do not take antibiotics for small ailments, for common cold, for small sore throat, for the allergic skin conditions. Please do not take antibiotics. Always consult the doctors and take the antibiotic as per the doctor's advice, not as per the chemist's advice.
So, what is the hindsight behind using antibiotics on their own, and what is the action plan the government has in the future?
It has been seen that most of the time when patients go for self-treatment or take antibiotics of their own from the chemist, they do not adhere to what we call as the antibiotic stewardship program, where we have to take the antibiotics, we have to take at a certain interval, we have to take for a certain period of time. What the general public is doing, they take the antibiotics, they get relief and they stop it. And that is the prime reason for antibiotic resistance. So always consult the doctors, and once you start the antibiotics, then you complete the course. Take it for the full course to prevent the further infection, and the antibiotic will be useful for later time to come.